In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently delete your WhatsApp channel. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to do this, go to your channel and tap on the name on top here, and you'll be taken to more functions. Scroll down up to the end and you'll see we have an option to permanently delete the channel. To do this, just tap on delete, and here you'll have to confirm that indeed you want to delete your channel. You're told taking this action will delete your channel permanently and you want to be able to recover the channel. However, followers can see past activities and past activity channels will stay on your followers' devices. To complete, just tap on delete and now your channel will be deleted. In some cases, you might have to confirm that you want to delete using the code that will be sent via the current WhatsApp account that you used to create it or phone number that you used. So that's how you can permanently delete your WhatsApp channel. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.